Oh, now you're watching a honey wasp in its natural habitat. Check out its strength and skill. Uh-oh, it's bearing down on me. Holy cannoli! It's gonna catch me. Ah!
Oh, Sammy. That's a great story, Sam. National Geographic is weeping right now.
You were awesome too. High five.
Guys, do you want to make a mechanical wasp too? We're gonna show you how. Agent Sam, the parcel has been delivered.
Thank you, Agent Roger. It totally slaps. I can't wait to see the prototype.
Sam, you're unbelievable. Such an actor.
What? I really want to see it. Holy cannoli, the assembling is gonna take us forever.
Stay positive, Sam. Soon we'll have a cool mechanical wasp. Whoop.
Let's clean it all up. Need to hurry. Our wasp is gonna need more space. Ugh.
Let's get down to business. I'm gonna start with the wings. We're gonna secure the first pieces together with a bolt. They're so tiny, so be careful. We'll fasten the bolt with a nut. Good job, engineers.
Teamwork is awesome! Share this video with your friends and make a craft together!
So, now we have one piece here and a full copy of it right here. What are we gonna do with these?
Bzz, Roger, I brought a special pollen for you!
Wow, Sammy! You dropped your wings like a snake shedding its skin! Now let's attach the piece we've made to the first wing. Right here, this way.
I did the same with the other wing! Cool!
Ha! The Terminator seems to be a joke. This mechanical wasp is so much better.
Check this out! I have a special add-on on my wing!
That's nice. I have less work to do then. Now let's put the wings together.
Roger, be careful! Seems like the wings are gonna fly!
They may have a consciousness of their own. At last, we have a metal plate to attach to the wings.
What are we waiting for? Let's do it right now!
And this is what we've got. It's gonna be our wasp's back. Cool, right?
Hell dibba-dabba! Engineering is so hard!
You shouldn't throw this, but spin it. Like this.
Roger's such a slacker, but it's a more efficient way to finish the craft. Wow, so many wheels and nuts! And we ran out of them.
Guys, this is the thorax of the wasp. It's like golden armor.
Check this out! I've got a wasp sense too! Everything is so clear. I've lost the signal, Raj. It's your fault!
Sorry, but the wasp can't wait. Check out this amazing spanner.
Don't put it away, Raj! We haven't finished yet!
Thank you. These parts will really come in handy now.
Raj, I've started growing legs like a wasp!
I'll take them. Then you have to grow 2 more pairs. We'll make real ones for a wasp pretty soon. Huh? Oh, thanks, Sam. I was looking for this part.
What is it for? I can't play with it now.
We'll get a sharp stinger in the end. Just wait for it.
I have to find the stinger. Hold it for me, please.
Ouch, careful, guys. Our wasp will have gold and black stripes, just like the real one. Let's use these silicone rings to make the wasp's natural camouflage.
Careful, Roger. That stinger is very venomous.
This is the key moment, guys. Hold your breath. We're fixing the stinger.
Oh, finally! Can I breathe as usual again?
Only if you want to get stung. Run, Sammy! Ooh!
Shiver me cheddars! Roger, let's hurry up and get done with that wasp! Oh!
Don't rush, Sam. You don't want to mess anything up, right?
Fine. Let's check what we're up to now!
Guys, do you know what it is? It's gonna be a very important body part.
Don't talk riddles, Raj! Is it an antenna? Or maybe a piece of a head?
Let's see. You actually missed twice. It's one of the wasp's legs. This is just the first one. We need to make 5 more.
Why on earth do wasps need so many?
Surely they need them to grab distracted slimes.
You wanna fight? Let's fight!
Aha! A wasp leg has defeated its other part.
That's not my fault! This mechanical leg doesn't work right!
Really? We'd better strengthen it up by joining these 2 pieces together. Oh, great! That's just what I needed.
Why is it so noisy around here? Turn that buzzing down! Oh, hello! 3, 4, 5, 6! All legs are done! Stop tickling! Phew.
Oh, Sam, here you are. Right on time. I'm gonna put all the legs together. We'll place a washer on the central disc and start installing the leg. Whoop!
Easy peasy! Roger, can I try the next one?
Sure. If you need me, I'll help. Take your time.
Raj, let's make reels now! I'm a spider sound!
Then you need more legs, Sammy. Turn around.
I know! Spiders have 8 legs! Fine, then a metal spider will be our next craft!
Sammy, do you hear that weird buzzing sound?
What? I don't hear anything like... Ah!
Slick slime, you owe me my legs. Uh-oh, it's broken. We need a mechanic here.
I know one! Wait just a sec! This is too heavy! Stay here!
Guys, do you like the wasp's head? Check out its mandible.
Too much talking, Roger! Let's fix the screw! The wasp is watching!
Hail Tibidaba. Wasps can only see green, yellow, and orange colors.
So it doesn't see me, huh? Pink slime is a tough cookie for you!
But it can feel you with D's instead. Woo!
No, I was kidding!
The thorax is approaching the abdomen. 3 seconds till docking.
It's happening! The wasp is getting bigger!
You're right, but I feel something is still missing.
Yes, Raj, and I know what it is! Here you go!
Whoa, how did you make it? Guys, check this out. The wasp is transforming right in front of your eyes.
You can bend its body at different angles! Awesome!
It can't be compared to slimes, though. You're very bendy.
You're flattering me, Raj!
I'm feeling like Dr. Frankenstein creating his beast. Should we call the wasp Frankenstein too?
That name is too long! Let's call it Frankie!
Great idea. Guys, do you like this name for the wasp? Then give a thumbs up.
Attach tiny tubes to the head! They provide life force so the wasp will be able to grow its limbs!
Wow, it's not that easy to grow all 6 legs at a time. Here we go.
Raj, and what about its flying ability?
We have this for it. Other wasps wouldn't recognize it without the wings, right?
Let's make a golden stand for it now!
Whoa, great idea. Guys, now I'm gonna show you something. Here I got the leg that will hold our wasp. Cool, huh?
Careful! I'm holding the heart of the wasp! Easy, Roger!
Thanks, Sam. We have a mechanical wasp, so its life force comes from electricity. Sammy, come here.
Interesting! I almost became a mechanical slime!
Ah!
Let's go save the world!
Sam, we're actually in the middle of shooting here.
Oh, come on! The world is in danger, and our dream team should save it!
Yep, the wasp has found its natural enemy.
Wait, we're comic superheroes! Whoa!
I'll distract it. Say bye to our viewers, Wasp. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.